Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video, ay pag-uusapan naman po natin on how to get the greatest common factor of numbers. So ito po ay magagamit natin sa any government examination, especially sa career service exam, pen and paper test. So without any further ado, simulan na po natin. The numbers that can divide an integer is called its factor or divisor. Again, ang number daw pala na ipang-divide natin sa isang integer, ang tawag doon is a factor or divisor. So let's say for example, si 4, meron siyang factors na 1, 2, and 4. Kasi nga if we divide 1 kay 4, yung result is a whole number, which is exactly 4. Walang remainder. And 2, if we divide 2 kay 4, the result is also a whole number, which is exactly 2. And 4 also, if we divide this number kay 4, the result is still a whole number, leaving us no remainder. Another example, si 6, meron siyang factors na 1, 2, 3, and 6. Because if we divide 1 kay 6, the result is a whole number. And also 2 is a factor of 6. Because if we divide 2 from 6, the result is exactly 3, which is a whole number. Also, si 3 is a factor of 6. Kasi if we divide 3 kay 6, the result is still a whole number. And lastly, si 6 also is a factor of 6. Kasi nga, 6 divided by 6, the result is 1, which is a whole number, leaving us no remainder. And now, let's try to answer this. What are the common factors of 12 and 18? So ngayon, titingnan po natin kung ano-ano yung mga factors ni 12 at ni 18. So we have the factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Bakit natin nasabi na ito yung factors ni 12? If we divide each of these numbers kay 12, ang sagot po is exactly a whole number. Walang remainder. Example, 12 divided by 1, that is 12. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. 12 divided by 6, that is 2, and 12 divided by 12, that is 1. So yung mga quotient, yung result kumbaga, whole number. Walang remainder. So ito po yung mga factors ni 12. And also we have the factors of 18. We have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So same instance, kapag i-divide po pala natin yung mga numbers na ito kay 18, yung result is a whole number. So ito din yung mga factors na 18. Ngayon, tingnan po natin, di ba ang tinatanong, ano yung common factors? Ano yung common nila na nakikita natin sa dalawa? So, common nila is 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, di ba, may magkapareho sila kay 1, 2, 3, and 6. Pero, si 6, ito yung tinatawag natin na greatest common factor. Ito yung pinakamataas na number na common nila. So therefore, the greatest common factor of 12 and 18 is simply 6. And now let's have another example. Find the GCF or greatest common factor of 20, 32, and 28. So let's have first the factors of 20. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So again, pag sinabi nating factors, kapag i-divide natin yung mga numbers na ito kay 20, yung sagot po is again a whole number at walang remainder. Okay? So next, we have the factors of 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. And we have the factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. Ngayon, tingnan po natin ano yung common factors nila. Ano yung common nilang tatlo? Okay, 1, common sila kay 1. 2 is a common factor. And lastly, 4. So therefore, the common factors of 20, 32, and 28 are 1, 2, and 4. And the GCD or GCF of these three numbers is simply 4. Pag sinabi po nating GCD, greatest common divisor. At kapag sinabi naman po nating GCF, greatest common factor. Same lang po yan. Kasi bakit GCD or GCF si 4? Ito yung pinakamataas na common factor nila. Greatest. common factor or greatest common divisor. And now, another way to get the greatest common factor of numbers is to write their prime factorization. Prime factorization is the process of expressing a number as product of prime numbers. A prime number is a number which is only divisible by 1 and itself. So we have here some prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. Ngayon, bakit po natin nasabi ng mga prime numbers ito? Ano ang definition ni prime number? Sabi niya dito, it is a number which is only divisible by 1 and itself. Halimbawa, si 2. Ano ba yung mga factors ni 2? Ano yung pwede nating i-divide kay 2? Di ba 1 and 2 lang? 1 and itself. Si 3, 1 and 3. 1 times 3, yun lang, wala nang iba. Si 5, 1 and 5 lang. Again, 1 and itself. Si 7, 1 times 7 or 1 and 7 lang. Wala nang other factors. So, we can consider these numbers as prime numbers. At meron pa pong maraming mga prime numbers beyond 29. So now, let's try to have an example in finding the GCF using prime factorization. So find the GCF of 12 and 18 using prime factorization. Prime factorization of 12, we have 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, that is 4, times 3, and that is 12. So, kumbaga, pina-factor out lang natin si 12 at ini-ensure natin na yung mga factors ay mga prime numbers na. Next, prime factorization of 18. We have 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3, that is 6, times 3, and that is 18. So, ngayon, ano ang gagawin naman natin? Tingnan natin yung mga common nila. So, common nila is 2 and 3. At ano naman ang gagawin para makuha ang GCF? We need to multiply these common factors. So, kumbaga, the greatest common factor of 12 and 18 is simply 6. So, kumbaga, minultiply lang natin si 2 and 3. And now, let's have another example. Find the GCF of 20, 32, and 28 using prime factorization. So, first, we have prime factorization of 20. 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2, that is 4, times 5, and that is 20. So, lahat po ito ay mga prime numbers na. Next, prime factorization of 32. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that is exactly 32. Next, prime factorization of 28. We have 2 times 2 times 7, and that is exactly 28. 2 times 2, 4, times 7, 28. So lahat po yan mga prime numbers na. Ngayon, ano ang susunod na gagawin? Tingnan natin yung mga common nila. So ang common nila is 2. Common sila dito. Next, 2 ulit. So 2 times 2, and that is 4. Therefore, the GCD or GCF of these three numbers is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Ganyan lang po kadali. And that's all for this video, and I hope you've learned something new today. Kung bago ka pa lang po sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.